Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Guillermo Auto. I got a 2011 Dodge Ram 2500 with a 5.7 liter Hemi with a P0457 gas cap loose code that keeps coming back, and this check fuel cap indicator keeps coming back. I'm going to show you what I did. Here's my code: evaporative emission system leak detected. I cleared this, drove it. It keeps coming back. I've replaced the gas cap twice. It's a different problem. So if you guys want to, I'm going to cut to the chase and show you what I found, and then I'm going to show you some other tips and things to check out if this doesn't end up being it for you. But my problem ended up being this thing right here. It's called a leak detection pump. It attaches to the canister. Runs about 35 bucks online, and this is from the dealer. Here's my part number if you can see it. This was actually like 35 bucks from the dealer. Not a bad price. I made sure to request to get a gasket as well with it. I don't know if it comes with it, but I made sure it did. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to show you how to replace this, and then we'll get into other stuff, and I'll tell you some other stuff. But first, you want to come into the canister, get yourself a flathead, and just gently get this hose off. I just kind of twisted it until it came off. You can pry on it a little bit with a flathead. This canister is really flimsy, so be careful. And then you want to come over here and push this tab right here. Mine was kind of like stuck. It had a lot of dirt and stuff on it, but you push that tab and pull it straight out. Okay, so then you twist it to get it out. There's a little tab on the bottom. You have to lift it up, I believe, and turn it this way and pull it straight out. My tab broke because I just twisted it. I didn't know about the tab, but I mean, I'm getting a new one anyway. Get your gasket out here. If you didn't get a new gasket, reuse this one, but I recommend getting a new one. Some guys in a forum said they put RTV, like that silicone stuff on it because they suspected it was still leaking. I didn't have a problem with that. But anyways, I got my new gasket in there, and then when you put your new one in, make sure your gasket doesn't, get pinched or anything. And so what happened is I put mine in, and then it put in like this. Like it goes in this way, and then you gently twist it down like this, and it should kind of click in place. Be cautious of this tab down here. Make sure that doesn't break or anything. It's like a locking tab, and that's the one you got to kind of lift up when you twist it to get it off. Then gently push this on, and I know it looks kind of like I'm being rough, but I was actually trying to be really gentle with it because the canister, like I said, the walls of it are really flimsy. So then you put your connector back on, of course. So we'll get this on. Connector, got my hose on, and then yep, that's it for that. And then it took me like 5 starts and turning off the engine about 5 times and then driving a little bit for that light to go out. I kept thinking I didn't solve it because the indicator kept coming on just immediately. So I was like, oh shit, it didn't solve it. But yeah, start and drive the engine about 5 times and that light will reset on its own. I'm going to show you a couple places you can smoke test it. This vehicle doesn't come with a vehicle evap port. This would be, I guess, for the technicians, but basically this purge solenoid right here located near the battery, that bottom line with the blue connector, I disconnected that and I ran my smoker in that, and then that ran smoke all the way down to the tank, all the way to the gas cap. Also right here on the canister, that spot that looks wet, I disconnected that hose. It's wet from my smoker, and I smoked up that line, and that line goes straight to the gas tank and the gas cap, so that's a good way just to test that area only. Then when I had it smoked and I knew that smoke was coming out the gas cap, I capped the gas cap and I took my phone and I looked all up on the top of the tank. I looked at the lines, any connectors. I saw on a forum this guy said that one of the plastic evap lines had rubbed a hole in it inside of a connector. Also, I looked for any rust. This truck had some rust on it, so I suspected like maybe a rust hole had developed like on this line right here on the filler neck, but it ended up being okay. But yeah, just another thing, look around. Definitely if you have the utilities to smoke it, definitely smoke it before you go replace that part. And definitely replace your gas cap first, of course. And see, I couldn't find nothing. I smoked it like 4 times, all different spots, and I couldn't find any leaks, so I didn't think that it really had a leak. But yeah, so that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out. Any more information in the comments is greatly appreciated. The more information we can get on this stuff, the better. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.